Alright, let's look at the homework 1.6, problem number 2. Alright, so we have a rational function, so we have to look for the domain, right? So here, describe the intervals on which the function is continuous, right? So only bad number in this case would be x equals 2, which makes the denominator equal to 0. So it's going to be all real numbers except for 2. So it's going to be a negative infinity. So we put negative infinity here all the way to 2. Then we're going to skip this. So we're going to use the set notation, union, and then 2 to positive infinity. So we put the positive infinity there. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got the first part correctly. Alright, so let's look at the identify any discontinuity. Right, as I said that here, there's going to be a missing point. So that would be a discontinuity. It's a removable discontinuity, so x equals 2. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got the second part correctly as well. Alright, so last part. If the function has any discontinuities, which it does, identify the conditions of continuity that are not satisfied. Alright, there's a discontinuity where f of c is not defined. Alright, let's see. Here, there's a hole, so it's not defined there, so this is one of them. Alright. There's a discontinuity f of c where a limit of f of x is not equal to f of c. This is actually not satisfied either, so I'm going to check that. And there's a discontinuity at x equals c where the limit does not exist. Actually, the limit does exist. You can approach from both sides, and the limit is probably around 12. Right? So I'm not going to check that, and there are no discontinuity, but there is a discontinuity. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back, and looks like we got the last part correctly as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.